Today we're at Naturalis for our final stakeholder event to close the project that has been going on for 5 years.
But the Marbles project is like a big European consortium, and it's all about using the biodiversity for protecting us against disease, but also crops, plants, aquaculture. We have a whole range of work packages which go all the way from getting biomaterials from nature, the deep sea sponges from fish, and then gradually on to see if we can use those for protection of the fish, protection of crops, and maybe in the end also pharmaceutical.
And also people who know policy and the regulatory aspects behind it, because even if you find, let's say, a new product, a new compound or a new bacteria that can protect the plants, you still have to go through this process of accepting it so that it can be broadly used in the plants, because in the end we eat those plants, so we have to make sure that they're not harmful, whatever we are putting in them.
I think we've been very successful. I think we delivered what we promised to do, but we got like almost 10,000 bacterial strains, and we got our extracts from the strains and about 2,000 strains. So it's been a fantastic ride. I think the EU is super happy. We have close to 25 compounds that we can explore for their application in the different fields. We have a lot of microbial consortia that we can explore for sustainable protection.
The Marbles team, they are all very eager to continue working together, so they are going to try to find funding to continue their research, but also continue what they have already achieved to bring it to the next step.
Biodiversity has huge potential for new medicines, and the idea behind Marbles is do it in a way where you also maintain the biodiversity, so that you don't get sponges out of the ocean, but you find out the microbes, the bacteria in there, get those out, leave the sponges to grow. So in a biodiversity-friendly manner, use the biodiversity for our future. I think that will be the purpose of Marbles in a sentence.
Sometimes to think big, to help these global challenges, society, the world, we can just look at the very, very tiny microbes and they can be our solutions.